everyone, welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I will be teaching you how to prepare Efo-Riro. Efo-Riro is also known as spinach stew. Here are the ingredients I will be using today. Let's start cooking. As you can see guys, I've sorted out my spinach. Now it's time to wash it to ensure it is clean. Next, I'm going to chop the spinach and set it aside. Next, I'm going to season my beef. In goes onion, in goes seasoning, in goes salt, stir, cover and allow to cook for at least 15 minutes. It has cooked for 15 minutes. Now it's time to add my assorted meat. Remember guys, this has been pre-cooked. Now it's time to stir them together and cover to cook for another 10 minutes. It has cooked for another 10 minutes. Now it is ready. It's time to start blending our peppers. When you're blending, ensure it is roughly blended. We need those beautiful colors in a lovely yummy spinach stew. Now it's time to blanch our spinach by adding hot water. I'm going to do the same to my dry fish. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water. It helps to clean and soften the fish. My pot has heated up. Now I'm going to add my red oil. In goes my red oil. I'm going to allow it for just a minute. Now it's time to add my onion. In goes my onion. Allow to fry for a minute. Next, in goes my locust beans. Allow to fry for a few seconds. Next, in goes my blended peppers. I'm now going to allow my peppers to fry for 10 minutes. My peppers are fried for 10 minutes. Now it's time to add my crayfish. I love to add my crayfish when I'm frying my peppers because I don't want my crayfish to get burnt. Next, I'm going to add my dry fish. In goes my dry fish. Stir. Allow to fry for 1 minute. Next, I'm going to add my seasoning cube. In goes my salt to taste. Stir. Next, in goes my stockfish. Next, in goes my prawns. Stir. In goes my stockfish. Stir. Now it's time to add my Kpomo. This is yummy, trust me. Until you taste it, do not judge. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of jumbo seasoning just to balance my seasoning. In goes my assorted meat and stir. Look at that color. It's looking really nice. This has cooked for at least 10 minutes. Now I'm going to add my spinach. It doesn't take time to cook. In goes my spinach and stir. Look at that. Look at how beautiful, how yummy my Efo-Riro is looking. When you're cooking Efo-Riro and you have assorted meat in it, It is yummy. Trust me. When you're cooking Efo-Riro and you have various orishi called assorted meat in your yummy Efo-Riro, it is heaven. Trust me. Look at how lovely, how beautiful my Efo-Riro is looking. Now I'm going to allow my Efo-Riro to cook for at least 10 more minutes and my yummy delicious Efo-Riro will be ready to serve. Look at how beautiful, look at how inviting my Efo-Riro is looking. Now it's time to serve. Look at that. Isn't this yummy? Isn't this mouth-watering Efo-Riro? If you have this with pounded yam, with your rice, with boiled yam, boiled plantain, it is yummy. Trust me guys. What are you waiting for? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you've not yet subscribed, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Also, turn on your notification button so whenever I post my video, you will be notified. I'm sure you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.